Awusuafo ye Indra da Rebecca ya be story bi e hanum about ababa your friend MzBel. Any arrest bi a the police for akwa arrest ni nyina ye. Oni trace buache into kwantukwa mu e no kwaka nsem bi e de kofa Stacy Amoateng ho o Stacy HIV positive no ye prophet and education nsem a okafa ne ho na me ne woka say de we dey confirm bibia e chere say Indra some Rebecca na ye no kre say ye police for ekokofa MzBel but aye nsem bebre bi say yankwache no yankwa arrest no na mono an ekoho because it was an invite and some afi etwe eba na bebre kra ma CID mo PRO kra be studio as MzBel kasa ne ba but it was officially arrested te say hu nsem a mami e kama MzBel kwa lawyer enso chuma MzBel ya nchi no ono ne lawyers makoma kotewe ne koho o mo koho kra CID for say o mo investigation I want same way. When I ewa homane so bama more details about in some course in Indra. Then na Indra one and not what information in and na me kwaba.
Mini aba me so.
When ya by dear, say bibia boko dear.
Nyankopon na do me da so ti ase.
Na MzBel in sense no details are aba wachi and then saying e no kra no ayachi no. Say na manfo bi ekeka no.
Yes, sir, by now the obi outie be was start now for this particular platform very seriously. Because Kamia Kweye say some ebeba each and every time they be to na Kweye say is equal to the truth and answer is the truth itself. Okay. In dry the boy thief for amane e was our platform he say MzBel I buy one MzBel or no ya channel na me repeat me home so I won't share another video because in another video no and the prelude to this particular video because in dry video no so share and no you realize that we gave details. And we gave details as to why MzBel was arrested in the first place. So I won't share ya. You need to go and also watch that video because me be repeating me once. And then no, yes. Hona obetia si na bibia and some one asia ebia and some mbeka wa hasi no unti ase yi. But a prelude of what we are going to do is yesterday and some other two itwa e wo plaza. And some no say ampa MzBel ya arrested MzBel. But the fight have moved from Stacy Amoateng and the MzBel to MzBel lawyers and the IGP and the DSP and the Ghana police people involved in this TNE. The case has moved from MzBel to Stacy Amoateng to DSP, the DSPs and the police Omochi MzBel and I invited MzBel to together with the lawyers. You see the Tinakwa MzBel lawyers versus them. Nina say MzBel lawyer your friend lawyer James Apia Duke. Apia Duke. Apia Duke. Okay. Yes, Punidin or a lawyer, one of the good lawyers, lawyer James Apia Duke. Now ye toto na no and okas indeed MzBel oko police station but in so many name we say you are arresting in ya enye no kre. Enye no kre. Mebe no so. Okay. At that same time, no so you invite and I say your friend DSP. Ono so original MzBel case. Ye bisa say. Yes. Ye bisa say MzBel was MzBel arrested, invited, or there's nothing as such. And I say yes, MzBel was arrested. And I say the lawyer and say I'm arrested no. The lawyer and say it was only a mere invite. In fact, according to the lawyers, the common party say you are instead of inviting say change na ombra ho. On one is seen in echo police ho. So it was an invite out of will and a MzBel echo. But we should DSPs. What say?
A PRO edema police for you. Or say MzBel was arrested. MzBel came to the CID headquarters on her own, but was officially arrested.
And then America say there's a rift between the lawyers and the police people because lawyers know cast a MzBel out of her will and call police station and a police also cast a MzBel came. They invited her, she came, but they arrested her. What am I saying? Who is telling the truth? Best than penny for any Bible and Kasakano. Whether Jonah swallowed the fish or the fish swallowed Jonah, all we know is the underlying word. There was a swallow. So whether MzBel was invited, was arrested, and I said, I bet my confirm they said there was a police case and MzBel went to the police station. Say arrest or invite, she went to the police station. Now the genesis in the diamond, the prelude of it, so they say Stacy Amoateng information ye nya ne say this case ne ni abreso pa because e bit ma kasa wa e bibia ye kasa we boy dwamana say we titi oni kunu so da kra ni kra bia obefa ne normal but say e be kasa we nya HIV AIDS
positive
e ya dia e ye hu knowing the kind of society we live in Ghana, stigmatization make stigmatization say Arabia toa enunti amanfo person bebe ho enunti amanfo person e bebe ofi enunti kura amanfo person ye be hu enim that stigmatization no say na entity is by na mo kire no stigmatization kills faster than the disease itself. It's looking at this ni nipa no so oye a brand influencer or a personality, a presenter dimu, or respecting ewa name, ewa kunu, enemba, ewa busuya. The damaging effect on the girl, more. It's based on that lady say, "Me no be any problem. Say uni obi enya beefa, munyem beef." But for you to drag my name inside and on top say me HIV positive because a pastor told you. As our pastor now catch on, so who say, "Who's MzBel? You know me." Send a tea na HIV patient. I'll be in as much as we need to do a test. You know, me say my worry into HIV in me coffee. So all patches me HIV AIDS, then all patches me kunu so chami coffee or no see HIV positive. Then say colonial woman they are HIV positive. The stigmatization that they will receive in Kuala Namuko school. Do you know what they are going to receive? Your mother and so internet it will be beer because class will be in himself. Stacy Amoateng your mommy. Then you go, then boy be on pewasem, and I girl be on pewasem. Konkwala de omke hey, they said your mother is HIV positive. That stigmatization, no. And you tell a lady na court.
Okay.
The information I gather and say there is a proceed to court. What am I saying? But yes, but in it, there is something about and see the main reason in Tia MzBel. You didn't know Echo Police Station because he didn't make invite an arrest because see are lawyers of MzBel. And now the police people know they are having a rift. Yes, if you say arrest, if you say invite. The main reason behind that particular police how call you know HSA in 70 by and according to Stacy Amoateng, they said the information it went out. Number one, on cash. But two, who said information it was spreading at a faster rate. Some people were carrying it, big bloggers. No more from website, not on quote MzBel. On top of it, no, the information they be which means that so HIV positive. It's now no sorry now online. You remember that Stacy Amoateng was once sick. The cause was HIV positive. No more quoting MzBel. Yes.
Sorry, no.
It almost show say no. The story in each and every day, Biano. It is growing at a faster rate. It is growing at a faster rate. And as Stacy Amoateng said, baby, it's according to Stacy Amoateng. No, yeah, an investigation on who say no. MzBel allegedly, allegedly is conniving with some bloggers to push and disseminate information and no correct. What must say? It's no what be cancel man cash na see and I say only bloggers be who video yes good based on that no this no meti hosa na medwumem bebi a me edwane madofo na me kunu omu nyire jam ho because my nye ho hwe enu ntia no de asem no okoy report to okoy report asem no hwe section na ye gina so de abon so but no mo kire say she's disseminating a false information and she's influencing false information in the public, which means or influence a man from more kind sama enya no kre afa Stacy Amoateng ho
eno ye alleged in someone yat
eno ye sentence they born based charges they born the omu gina so na section 16 clause A said they just me hwe articles ni
yeah and no na yen show MzBel lawyers with the interviews I would do on grant no bisa the senti omo plan be say be call Stacy ho one-on-one akopa na cho and BBC I will say is something they are looking forward to.
Yes, Senad na ye no. You see the best thing you see Senad in that mekan 99% of men we don't think before we act. Idea psychologists ikukudam or makan to her. And 99% of women they don't think before they talk. Into these two genders, no, you're down for no. In 2% working on yourself, you're bar because in bar mo kasa be brain. No, it's a girls kasa. Say girls kasa now your bar, make sure that if you are no baby no at least think about it. Because na what drain and as a one no faster than your brain da. Ubeko baby and was here de uko. Sana bema so and was so show you say and was set utonsa. Needs to be kiki now react. And as a baby kitty now react and act. One show ni ya uko ye bibia. Not with the police station. So based on the social MzBel no, and also who say Stacy no on tisa we akolako Ghana ko follow this particular news Becca says Stacy Amoateng on tisa. The fact that lady ni yari ye didn't ko do fan ni say ace. In a year no. Yari ti mi bo bia because yari e ba send penny for eban and bonkai. So it mi bo bia so you of all people are who ben should have known say it is not true. But for you to go out and say this in one kind of bonus, say Chinchina Stacy, ace. But all patches said Nigel Gaze in a catcher. Now, Mena Meti has said, no be a catcher, Mr. Sebe. Nana, Akufa Dunya, a friend is a coronavirus. Main confirming information, me then got social media catcher, Mr. So, say, a friend is a winner, Akufa Dunya coronavirus. And no son, they need to deal with me because Nipanaka. All can who and who were there. Which recording shows semi nipa ne kai. Inti wa akoka nipa ne kwa betime yi nwe hwim se me kan hwe. Unim se me nipa wo isi me kan hwe. Na se wo akoka asem no. Ana wo a wo ti asem ne kokan nti si ano. Atima se na ama ohun akokyero. So MzBel should have known. Say Nigel Gaze by now Nigel Gaze in some bebre ya okan enye no kre. Prophecy na eba no e bi entro bi be ka say mega super bet o yusu na adwene. So you should have done better. You don't just get up and say things. So MzBel and Cassette Nigel Gaze a confirm me say Stacy Amoateng HIV/AIDS. Now all can say what can say much say me can at your how be so and then in some of can at your how ebo no MzBel so henceforth also we say the person in question here no it's not worth talking about the person saying things and going on to say things about culture because from all we know, no something went on between you two. Say all kinds of now run no. Akwa se we share girl bia open ansem. Utimi ka kokase.
Epoya papa dia.
Ni nyina sebi adikiti we bi nti. What am I say? So when we talk we say things but also we say at that particular time no even oni bibia ye kra na obeso kyerɛ say yes. Ono so so obekeka nsem bia enim. So you shouldn't go and say it. And then Nigel Gaze and I'm free. And I'll defend that. Nigel Gaze in a car. I didn't tell one be on the pulpit. Anchor. Prophecy. Stacy Amoateng in your HIV/AIDS. And betting the finger. They'll catch you. So in your quest to say it and land Nigel Gaze in prison and then boom will be here. So it's something that she should learn. She should learn from it. And Nigel Gaze himself, no, Son American, he needs to be invited. Because by now, no, yes, by now we know that on the MzBel be a communtem. And this is going to be a hard case to prove and not to bring all the facts. He found Okan seven chair. Yeah. Okan saying. Why not know evidence being the chair? That's it. If it was the two of them, piano mudi phone soon come out. Who recorded it? You recorded someone and age now. So a dicey. Obi there's no evidence. I quite so catch him and say Obia Bibian Obi Kumobi. What am I saying? O catch him and I'm so no eba o catch him sa asem one and no gina ho. Then a chest o catch him sa asem no. Time ben na o catch him sa asem no. In which condition? And I can acquire same bebre no so no if you don't have evidence. And that is what we are seeing for our sister MzBel. We pen sempa bibi ensem no kwani die wanya die. And I think so the move by the lawyers is simple. All they want is an out of court settlement. And no. On pen an out of court settlement because we know go shima hey fie. They will lose completely because see I'm finding the evidence and can idea MzBel our audio to back a clear and can immediately MzBel presents the audios to that effect and evidence and the case will turn from Stacy Amoateng to MzBel and Stacy Amoateng and Nigel Gaze. But see, and there are no audios to back her claim. There are no evidences to back her claim. Inti nipa baako or that's a funny wanya. Inti maybe MzBel I could do need a bad thing. I think that the lawyers what they are doing is to get an out of court settlement. So we'll meet him settle issue now amicably. It will fear. In fact, gidi bia emba.
I say no I don't know now wait MzBel so after we see no the post how do or post to IG even no she sister Deborah birthday cry no come from all of us here police sales mates then I say we throw jabs be I'm winning J feel free to
MzBel ni ma manifest we India grow. You see, then there be any bian a car some that the law is no respecter of persons. We've seen leaders being caught up with the law. You who press the man penny for bibra, but no more power. Use amendments, first and second amendment me and make it president untouchable houses in power. No, send the power 10 and end within 99 years, crana, you're betting it not to jail. So the law is no respecter of persons regardless. Talk about celebrities, is celebrities. It's the man now enye no kukuti say obit ma kan say bia ko free. What can sem na enye no cray and what can say na we need evidence to that effect. You need to be very careful and circumspect of what you say. Because I want to take care ade ba kwa obeka need to bit make them 20 years. If it be injury to somebody's career, if it be damage and a defamation of character, these are things because the defamation of character in the law context is a serious thing. You can defame somebody, and if you don't know, they can take all your properties and jail you for 25 years.
For the
especially if you don't have a good lawyer. Now, only good lawyer can look at 1 year crana. Do you know what you lose? Imagine say Juma or 2,000 cities and every month you 1,005 cities. For 2 years, you know how much money you are going to lose? The time and the energy. Now, can you meet the conditions and come out without getting sick and without dying? So we need to look at things carefully. The way we say things and approach things, we need to be very careful. So you shouldn't say this and play with this. Say, sister, Debbie, I'm a cellmate. Oh, the cellmates and now I could dim. Who could dim and only who says cellmates, who was cellmate and only cellmate. She should be careful. And by now, she should know, says silence is golden. MzBel of all people should know, says silence is golden. Only Tracy watching Sensem Ebaye, you never spoke. One Casada, a man for Casa, no, you should say indeed, you're a 44-year-old wise girl.
Show maturity.
What show maturity? It's a ban and a walk can same way. Obey yes, I know what time for when you able, he says, hey, girl, Yachino. If there's somebody who should be arrested, should be Tracy watching. You want to can send a mama, you know, it will be PP. I can't send the amount for one time because some kind it's also amounts to defamation. What am I saying? But I question someone more party back into an treaty case, but they shouldn't joke with this case. Ultimately, can't send me for being and found 3D, sir. Do you think that Stacy Amoateng who could jam baby Eka say, "What would not win no?" Also, Abia Sebi, who go no? Now go no crowd the bar, no horse say, on board and son. Do you know what that thing is going to do to you? You see, stigmatization is there. The only you are, and that is where the law of karma comes. Don't do it to your friend. You shouldn't joke with this thing at all. The lawyers move on take it to make the thing an out of court settlement. The best thing, and I'm praying that they solve the issue amicably. Not in in question. No. Stacy the Kasai, amongst all of them, she's the matured person. And son about MzBel. MzBel shouldn't talk. Yes, and don't talk about that issue because in same way, or if you are not Stacy Amoateng you free, or send relationship. What am I saying? No.
Okay, I was for next and another in church. You know, in Tababa MzBel. I may be a sure passer the interview and I say, sure, you be my lawyers engage money man. Then we post now, we'll caption no and move really free, move family trend the Kakania that Nina and my was a beer. Please arrest now. We say invite you. We need you to say bye. You be for when you be dear. I will be an Baba Sumo or Pinax TV so.